Worship drumming is not easy as you think. There are basic tips you really need to know. Hey, what's up amazing drummers? Welcome back to another lesson video. But before we get started, I have a question for you all, and the question is, do you know that there are actually the right way to play worship on the drums? If you don't know, never bother, because that's what we'll be doing today. I've discovered that a lot of drummers, especially beginners, lack the knowledge to play worship on the drums the right way due to they are lacking these tips I'll be sharing in this video. So because of this, I've basically and specially designed this video for beginner drummers, where I'll be emphasizing these few tips on how to play worship the better way and the right way. I won't only just be showing you how to play worship beat the right way, I'll also be giving you a must-know feel you really need to get started. So grab your popcorn and stay tuned as we get right started with the lesson. So guys, this beat we are talking about in this video is on 4/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get it? So, and the first tip I will be giving to you is called the hi-hat tip. That's the first tip you will be learning. And on this hi-hat tip, we'll be playing a 16th note pattern on the hi-hat. It's counted like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is how it sounds. That's 3 counts on each of the beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 16th note pattern. That's what we'll be playing on the hi-hat. Let's take it one more time. That's the hi-hat tip. And the second tip I'll be showing you is the snare drum tip. You know, we are emphasizing on a 4/4 beat. So this snare drum will be coming on beat 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last stroke on the hi-hat is coming together with the snare drum. This is how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play both of them slowly as a worship beat. I believe you understand it better now. So the third tip, which happens to be the last tip I'll be sharing to you in this video, is the bass drum tip. This bass drum will be on the 1, on the beat 1. So it will be coming together with the third stroke on the hi-hat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take it slowly. Okay guys, let's play this to a song. Let's look for a worship song. I'll be doing this song. All the glory must be to the Lord. 1, 2, 3. Guys, don't mind my voice. I might not be a very good singer. So at this very moment, I will be showing you a feel you can apply to this beat. It's going to be with a single stroke rudiment. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 2 stroke each on snare drum, tom 1, tom 2, and floor tom. This is how it's been played. So now let's play the beats and apply this feel to it. So these are the few tips I have for the beginner drummers when it comes to worship drumming. Hope you enjoyed it. Please do well to share this video to any beginner drummer you know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe so you won't be missing my videos. Also drop a comment below, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye for now guys. Peace.